Hello and welcome back to the Cosworth. Today I'm going to do some routine maintenance. I've noticed that some of the fuses in here aren't very good, so I'm going to replace all of them. So I don't know if you can see that looks pretty crummy, and I've got the actual contacts don't look very good going in there either. But what I have got is some electrical spray. Now I can spray in there and give them a bit of a clean up. So I should be changing all those. Hopefully I don't need to go through all those relays. I've already been through them once and I don't really want to go through them again. Okay, so I'm going to crack on with this. Right, since I replaced the fuses, I have this relay working, which is good news. So if I've got that relay working, I should have power to the injectors. Let's go find out. This door. Just going to walk round to the front, and I need to turn it on, of course. Let's go around and turn this car on. Okay, I've got to pull the key out. This is to do with the alarm. You switch it off. And then I'm going to switch it back on again, put the key in, turn it on. I can hear the boot. I don't know if you heard that, the pump's going in the boot. I'm walking around here, and so up here, see that? Put that there so everybody can see that. Okay, so I'm put that into there. It says I've got it's all over the place at the moment. Hang on, not used to doing this, but there you go. 12, see that? Voltage up to the injectors. Right, some partial success. I've got one injector injecting. 3 that don't, if you didn't hear that. What I've done is, I know I've got one injector working and 3 that haven't. They've all got power going up to it. So what I've done is switcherooed the injectors. So that's number 4 connected into number 3, and number 3 connected into number 2. So if it's the ECU or the feed to it, it would be this one working and that one not, vice versa. So if the power's good, that one, and the injector's good, that one will work. If this one's gone, if this one's not working, it's the injector. So it's a process of elimination. So with that, let's turn them over and see what happens. Hopefully I can lean through the door. Turn itself off. Let's see if it's turned itself off again. And that is number 4. That's number 3 injector. So that tells me that the other 3 are faulty. I've got 1 good injector and 3 duffs. Okay, so it's time to get new injectors, I fancy. So what I did do is clean out the injectors with some electrical spray and got them working. I have every intention of replacing them in the future. This is genuine starting the car after 16 years have been sat in my garage. I have roped Simon in, my friend, to video this whilst I start the car. We are both very excited about this. I must own up to the fact that I put some oil down through the plug holes to lubricate the upper cylinders. So if you see a bit of smoke, don't be too surprised. So let's see what happens next. Okay. absolutely blown away by how that started. That's amazing. So if you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, press the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you again. Bye for now.